Guys, it's Travis here from the Everline Cart. Welcome to another new video. Where today I'm going to be playing Ricky Carmichael's motocross matchup. This game is brand new for 2016. You can get it on phone or iPad. And I already unlocked all the tracks. I've unlocked most of the riders, even Ricky Carmichael himself. So let's go on a little tour to Ricky's backyard. There's other riders like zombies. Yeah. We are racing on the 250. But Ricky Carmichael rides on a 450. Man, that trick always misses. Oh, it's the zombie. Ugh, I hate him. This is gonna take a little. Yes! Finally! He fell! I got me some points. I don't know why he's screaming. I didn't do anything wrong. Besides, he's on a gas darn weird 250. And he's not really that cool. He's ugly, and he's a stupid zombie. Great. Whip. Oh shoot, I hate this guy. Time to go with the ultimate. Ricky Carmichael. Let's hang out in Phoenix. At the KTM. Now you can hear the engine more clearer. Yes! Wait, whoa! This is so cool. I love this game. Oh no. Oh no. I'll have to stop the video here. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for joining Team TBN. Bye.